Android Oreo coming to more Samsung phones next month. Samsung looks set to begin rolling out Android 8.0 Oreo to its Galaxy S7 and Galaxy S7 Edge phones this May. The latest Android 8.0 Oreo mobile operating system still hasn't arrived on the Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge, nor has it had an official launch date yet. Now a leak suggests we can expect the update to begin rolling out soon. According to a Turkish website which specializes in updates and is allegedly run by Samsung, we can expect the Android 8.0 Oreo update to start appearing from May 18th. Of course, when that will actually make it to all phones is another matter. Depending on your network, that date could be inaccurate as some carriers take longer than others to roll out updates. Unlocked phones will be the first to receive the update. Those locked to networks may have to wait longer. Even the Samsung Galaxy S8 Android Oreo update was delayed after glitch issues, so we're taking all this with a pinch of salt for now. It's also worth noting this is a Turkish site, so the UK may not have the same launch date. This could be a good thing, meaning an earlier release, but of course it could also mean a longer wait, potentially. The Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge launched with Android Marshmallow and didn't get upgraded to Android Nougat until 7 months after the software was released. Android 8.0 Oreo launched on August 21 last year, making it a 9-month wait in May. Android 8.0 Oreo is also expected to arrive from June 1 on the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3, plus the Galaxy A3, A5, and A7 phones. Owners of the older Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge will no longer be supported by updates from Samsung, meaning no Android Oreo for them. Great new features coming with Android 8.0 Oreo include better battery life, improved multitasking, new emojis, wider picture-in-picture features, widget info on the home screen, a new settings menu, better smart selecting of text, auto-enabling of Wi-Fi when home, and more. Another nice addition brought by Android Oreo is the treatment of persistent notifications. These constant reminders become less prominent, so you're not bothered by them if you choose not to look at them right away. If you do want to view a tap is all you need to get a full-size view once again. Expect to hear more official word on the Android 8.0 Oreo update coming to the Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge in May as that May 18th launch date draws closer.